So starting with question number 14. Budgeted sales are 12,500 and 20 rupees per unit. So this is my units produced and units sold. Okay. And this 20 rupees is my selling price per unit. And variable cost is given to you right from direct material till admin overheads. Okay. Variable direct material, variable direct labor, variable factory overheads, variable selling expense, variable admin overheads. Okay. So this total makes it to 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this total is 12 per unit. Yeah, don't forget that. Fixed may you have three items in fixed, that is fixed factory, fixed selling, fixed admin. Okay, total this 50, 20, 70 plus 10 is 80,000. So my fixed cost amount is 80,000. ठीक है, आगे क्या बोला है? Yeah. You have to calculate PV ratio. You have to calculate BEP. Again, I have been saying this, when the question is silent, you have to calculate both BEP in units also as well as rupees also. Next, you have to calculate is profit at budgeted sales. Matlab, what is the profit if the budgeted sales is 12,500? Budgeted sales कितना है? 12,500. ठीक है? तो हमको profit निकालना है. Next, MOS at budgeted sales. So they want you to calculate margin of safety when the budgeted sale is 12,500. Next, fifth one is important. Okay, which makes this sum type 3 sum. Okay, yeah. You have to calculate profit if, okay, condition applied. First, sales decrease by 20% from budgeted sales. ठीक है, आपका budgeted sales कितना है? 12,500 बराबर, उसका 20% रिडक्शन करो, 12,500 का 20% reduction. So my answer is 10,000. Okay. Next, second condition, if sales increases by 5% from budgeted sales, वापस budgeted sales कितना है? 12,500. कितना increase करना है? 5% increase करना है. ठीक है, so करो 12,500 plus 5, press the percentage sign, equal to, so my answer is 13,125. ठीक है. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट, जब भी आप कोई कंडीशन चेंज करते हो तो हम क्या assumption लेते हैं? दैट अदर थिंग्स विल रिमेन कांस्टेंट. दैट मीन्स इन द फर्स्ट केस दैट इज ए वाला डिक्रीज बाय 20% वाला, ये तो चेंज हो रहा है, तो क्या क्या सेम रहेगा? वेरिएबल कॉस्ट पर यूनिट विल बी सेम, राइट? सेलिंग प्राइस per unit will be same, fixed cost amount will be same. बराबर, same applies here also. इसमें भी वही logic apply होगा. Variable cost per unit will be same, selling price per unit will be same, and fixed cost का amount will be same. Okay, this is what we do in type 3. जो बोला है वो change करने का, बाकी का information will remain constant, or you call it as will remain same. Am I clear with this logic? Is this clear to everyone? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay. So now let us prepare the marginal cost sheet. I've been saying since the first sum that marginal cost sheet में अगर आपको समझना है क्या information दिया है, क्या calculate करना है, तो marginal cost sheet बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. The first thing you should always start with that only. Okay. Fine. So prepare this marginal cost sheet. Yeah, write down particulars, current year, revised 1, revised 2. Okay, revised 1, revised 2. ठीक है. Current year में units produced is 12,500. Condition 1 में it is 10,000. I just explained it to you. And condition 2 में it is 13,125. Okay. First complete the current year. Selling price दिया है 20 rupees. Variable cost दिया है 12 rupees. Fixed cost दिया है 80,000. Okay. 20 is selling price, 12 is variable, and fixed is 80. ठीक है. So 20 minus 12 is 8. Okay. Then calculate the amount column. Amount column कैसे मिलेगा आपको? 12,500 multiplied with 20. Okay. So 12,500 multiplied with 20. So my answer is 2,50,000. So that's my sales in value. Correct. Okay. Next क्या? Next, what I will calculate? Variable cost. How will I get variable cost? 12 multiplied with 12,500. So 12 multiplied with 12,500. So 1,50,000 is my variable cost. So 2,50,000 minus 1,50,000 is how much? 1 lakh. ठीक है. आप अपना आंसर क्रॉस चेक भी कर सकते हो. आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना है? 8 multiplied with 12,500. So 1 lakh is my contribution. See, it's correct. उसमें से फिक्स कॉस्ट माइनस कर दो 80,000 का. 1 lakh minus 80 is how much? 20. Okay, so my profit is 20,000. Current year is completed. समझ में आया सबको? Now come to revised. अब भी just जो मैंने explain किया 2-3 minutes back. What you are supposed to change as per the question, change that. Okay, 10,000 मेरा answer आया. Rest other things will remain same. Okay, so sales change किया तो मेरा selling price per unit, variable cost per unit, and fixed cost in amount will remain same. Same applies to the revised condition also, second one. ठीक है. Calculate. Yeah, 10,000 units multiplied with 20 rupees. So my answer is 2 lakhs. 10,000 units multiplied with 12 rupees. My answer is 1,20,000. 2 lakh minus 1,20,000 is how much? 80. You can cross check your answer. 10,000 into 8 is 80,000. Okay. 80 minus 80 is 0. Then next, 13,125 into 20, 2,62,500. 13,125 into 12 rupees. 1,57,500. Subtract it, you will get your contribution 1,05,000. 20 minus 12 is 8. Contribution per unit, you can cross check your answer. 8 multiplied with 13,125. See, my answer is correct. 1,05,000 में से fixed cost minus कर दो 80,000 का. So my profit is 25,000. Okay. So marginal cost sheet is clear to everyone? Okay, don't forget this logic what I have said. जो चीज change करनी है वही change होगा, बाकी constant रहेगा. और क्या constant रहेगा? वो flow, वो sequence आपको याद रखना है. If selling price is changing, then unit sold, variable cost, fixed cost will remain same. If variable cost is changing, then units produced, selling price, fixed cost will remain same. If fixed cost is changing, then units produced, units sold, आपका selling price per unit and variable cost per unit will remain same. Okay, so this link you have to remember. Okay, because this concept, this logic will be used in other chapters also. Okay, acknowledge it in the chat box. Is it clear? समझ में आया यहाँ तक? And now start calculating. पहले क्या पूछा है आपको? PV ratio पूछा है. Calculate करो. Contribution upon sales in 200. Okay. So 8 rupees is my contribution divided by 20 rupees is my selling price in 240. So 40% is my answer. Okay. Next क्या पूछा है? Break even point. Second one. Break even point in units. So break even में fixed cost is paid. तो numerator में fixed cost आएगा. I want my answer in units, so I will divide with contribution per unit. Okay. So my fixed cost is 80. My contribution is 8. So my answer is 10,000 units. Next, BEP in rupees. Okay, you can use this formula, fixed cost upon PV. मेरे पास fixed cost भी है, मेरे पास PV ratio भी है. So 80,000 divided by 40, press the percentage sign. 80 divided by 40. Yeah, so my answer is 2 lakhs. So my BEP is 2 lakhs. Okay, you can cross check this answer. BEP in rupees is also BEP in units multiplied with selling price per unit. Okay, so 10,000 into 20 is 2 lakhs. Okay, it has to tally obviously. Apply one formula. Always remember the other formula for verification of answer. ठीक है, ये भी हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्या पूछा है? प्रॉफिट पूछा है एट बजटेड सेल्स. ओके, तो इसका भी दो तरीका है फाइंड करने का. पहला, प्रॉफिट पूछा है ना, तो प्रॉफिट तो मेरे पास है, ये रहा मेरे स्टेटमेंट में ही है. हियर इज द आंसर. थर्ड पार्ट, प्रॉफिट. ओके, और इसको आप क्रॉस चेक कैसे कर सकते हो कि ये प्रॉफिट राइट है कि रॉन्ग? हाँ, नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. हाँ, प्रॉफिट पूछा है ना, फ्यूचर, तो वी डोंट नो प्रॉफिट. ओके, और कितना बोला है? बजटेड सेल्स, एस्टिमेटेड सेल्स कितना इन यूनिट्स? 12,500. सो आई विल यूज द डिजायर्ड सेल्स इन यूनिट्स का फॉर्मूला. फिक्स कॉस्ट अपॉन डिजायर्ड प्रॉफिट अपॉन कंट्रीब्यूशन पर यूनिट. आई विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. So this is 12,500. Substitute the values. This is 80. This I don't know. And contribution is 8. Cross multiply. 12,500 into 8 minus 80,000 equal to desired profit. Solve करो इस equation को. 12,500 into 8, 1 lakh. 1 lakh minus 80 is how much? 20. So my answer is desired profit 20,000. समझ में आया how to cross check? Is it clear to everyone? The cross checking part. So you can get profit from the statement also, and you can use desired profit. What do you call your desired sales in units or desired sales in rupees ka formula, and that way also you can calculate profit. Okay. तो इस तरीके से आप अपना आंसर्स क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हो एग्जाम में. Am I clear? Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Next part, what they have asked you. MOS. ठीक है. Margin of safety. So write down fourth one. Margin of safety in units as well as in rupees. Write the formula. Margin of safety में क्या होता है? Profit मिलता है तो न्यूमरेटर में profit आएगा. You want your answer in units, so you should divide with contribution per unit. Okay. So 20,000 divided by 8 rupees. So my answer is 2,500. So that's my MOS in units. आप इसको क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हो. Yes, MOS in units का second formula is actual sales in units upon minus BEP in units. So actual sales is how much? 12,500. BEP is how much? 10,000. So 12,500 minus 10,000 is how much? 2,500. So our answer is correct. Same way for MOS in rupees, profit upon PV. Okay. So profit is paid, and when you want your answer in rupees, you should divide by PV ratio. So my answer is 50,000. Okay. Obviously, you can cross check your answer in here also. Actual sales in rupees minus BEP in rupees. Actual sales in rupees कितना है? 2.5 लाख. BEP in rupees कितना है? 2 लाख. माइनस करो. आंसर इज 50. इसका और एक फॉर्मूला है कैलकुलेट करने का. MOS in units 2,500 multiplied with selling price per unit. Okay. So 2,500 into 20, right? 50,000. So I'm just making you understand how you can sync the various formulas to verify your answer. Is this clear? ये भी समझ में आया? So this chapter is basically very nice. You can at least cross check your answers here. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्या पूछा है? प्रॉफिट पूछा है इफ कंडीशन नंबर 1 एंड कंडीशन नंबर 2 के लिए. Again, I can either use my desired sales wala formula and get the profit, or I will get the profit from the statement. Okay, see, मिल गया ना? 5A. एक मिनट. Yeah, this is my answer. 5A का 0. Profit is 0. And this is my answer for 5B. Okay, my profit when sales is 13,125 is 25,000, and my profit when sales is 10,000 is 0. ठीक है, समझ में आया? Done with the question? Okay. So I assume you all have noted down. So then can I move to the next question? Okay, fine. Okay, so let me take you to this one. Question number 18. Okay, this you are going to solve it as homework. A firm sells 25,000 units. So units produced and sold is 25. Selling price is 5 rupees per unit. Fixed cost is 40,000. Variable expenses 50,000. Find out BEP of the firm. Okay, and also find BEP when there are these four conditions applied. First, selling price is increased by 30%. Second, fixed cost is increased by 15%. Fixed cost is decreased by 25%. And fourth, selling price is decreased by 20%. Okay, clear with the question? So let us come discuss. So what is the first part? Yeah. पहला कंडीशन में क्या बोला है? सेलिंग प्राइस शुड इंक्रीज बाय 30%. आपका सेलिंग प्राइस कितना है? हाउ मच इज द सेलिंग प्राइस? 5 रुपीज. 5 रुपीज का 30% बढ़ा दो. ओके, 5 रुपीज का 30% बढ़ा दो, सो 6.5 रुपया होता है. ओके, 6 रुपीज 50 पैसा. ओके, and what logic will you apply? What will be the logic that will be applicable? Selling price is changing, right? तो बाकी variable cost per unit, fixed cost का amount and units produced और units sold, ये क्या हो जाएंगे सब? Same. Okay, don't forget this. Next, second one, fixed cost is increased by 15%. How much is your fixed cost? 40,000 is my fixed cost. So 40,000 का 15% increase. So my answer is 46,000. ठीक है? Same logic. Fixed cost change हो रहा है ना? हाँ, अब units produced और units sold. Okay, variable cost और आपका amount क्या हो जाएगा? Same हो जाएगा. Other things remaining same. Fixed cost का amount, बाकी दो जन का variable. थर्ड कंडीशन क्या बोला है? या फिक्स कॉस्ट डिक्रीजिंग बाय 25%. तो करो, 40,000 का 25% डिक्रीज कर दो, कितना हुआ? 30,000. ठीक है, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट, सेम लॉजिक. यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड और यूनिट्स सोल्ड. नेक्स्ट वेरिएबल कॉस्ट. नेक्स्ट फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट का अमाउंट, नॉट फिक्स कॉस्ट का अमाउंट. Why did I write fixed cost? Sorry students, fixed cost तो change हुआ है. Selling price per unit I should have written here. I'm so sorry. Just rectify this. Same for the next one. Yeah, selling price per unit. These things will remain same. And last, selling price is decreasing by 20%. मेरा सेलिंग प्राइस कितना है? 5 रुपया. 5 रुपये का 20% डिक्रीज कर दो. सो आंसर इज 4. ओके, एंड व्हाट लॉजिक विल यू अप्लाई? वही अभी क्या सेलिंग प्राइस चेंज हुआ है, तो वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट, यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड और यूनिट्स सोल्ड, ये सेम रहेगा. ओके, क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया? क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर? विल यू बी एबल टू सॉल्व इट? Okay, will you be able to solve it? Okay, fine. Great. Okay. practice these sums, very important obviously, since they are similar sums. So I am not solving, but I have given you a just overview how it will be done. Okay, then moving on to, so this also we have done, this is all completed by us. Yeah, same applies for question number 17, students. Yeah, फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट कितना है? 4,000. Sorry, 40,000 is my fixed cost. ठीक है. BP, okay, my BP is how much? 10,000. Okay, दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. So क्या क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? There are 4 things that you need to calculate. Okay, so let us see what best we can do with this information. Fixed cost दिया है 40, BP दिया हुआ है. We have to calculate PV ratio. We have to calculate profit when sales is 20,000. BP when selling price is reducing by 20%. So this is going to be your revised condition 1. Okay, आपका selling price reduce होने वाला है. ठीक है. Sales is rupees. Sales in rupees you have to calculate when profit is 4,000 after the reducing selling price by 20%. Okay, so desired profit is given to you 4,000 and you have to calculate desired sales. Okay, fine. So I'll just show you the just how to solve it. BP दिया हुआ है, right? रुपीज में होगी, तो बीपी इन रुपीज का फॉर्मूला क्या है? फिक्स कॉस्ट अपॉन पीवी. ठीक है. सो बीपी इज हाउ मच? 10,000. ओके, फिक्स कॉस्ट इज हाउ मच? 4,000. सॉरी, 40,000. देन पीवी रेशियो. ओके, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. सो माय पीवी रेशियो विल बी हाउ मच? 40,000 divide by 10,000 obviously and into 100. आपको आपका आंसर चाहिए ना इसमें परसेंटेज में, तो जब आपको आपका आंसर परसेंटेज में चाहिए होता है तो वी मल्टीप्लाई विद 100. सो माय पीवी रेशियो इज 40%. ठीक है. देन you will make this sales less variable cost is equal to contribution less fixed cost is equal to profit. This is what you will do. Okay, तो आपको fixed cost पता है 40, आपको पीवी रेशियो पता है अभी? हाँ पता है. तो आपको कंट्रीब्यूशन भी मिल जाएगा, बराबर ना? या सो पीवी रेशियो इज व्हाट? इट इज कंट्रीब्यूशन अपॉन सेल्स इनटू 100. तो दिस इज 40%. कंट्रीब्यूशन आई डोंट नो और सेल्स भी आई डोंट नो. सो देन हाउ एम आई सपोज टू कैलकुलेट दिस रेशियो? पीवी मिल गया. डिजायर्ड प्रॉफिट. Okay, so right now we cannot calculate this. ठीक है, बट फर्स्ट पार्ट तो हो गया. क्वेश्चन का फर्स्ट पार्ट इज डन. सेकेंड पार्ट में क्या पूछा है? डिजायर्ड प्रॉफिट, डिजायर्ड सेल्स इज गिवन. तो डिजायर्ड सेल्स इन रुपीज अपॉन फिक्स कॉस्ट प्लस डीपी अपॉन पीवी. So you can substitute in this and then you can get your answer. Okay. Anyways, I feel it is a bit tricky, so I will solve this sum in the next lecture. Okay, don't worry. थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है, तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आई विल सॉल्व इट. आई जस्ट गिव यू जस्ट कि कैसे सिंक में है. सो इफ यू लुक इनटू द कॉस्ट शीट, तो सिर्फ फिक्स कॉस्ट ही दिया और कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन ही नहीं है, बट वी कैन फाइंड लिंक. We can link it and we can find.